Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Hakan from Web News. Do you want to move a specific widget on your event page somewhere else or create a whole different event page with less widgets? Then the add-on we'll cover in this video is definitely for you. So make sure to watch and learn how you can use the single Divi builder to customize your Mac event page. Stay with us till the end of the video. First things first, make sure to install a Divi theme. Then from the plugins menu, click on Upload Plugin and install the Divi Single Builder Addon. Once installation is complete, click on Activate the plugin. I had Mononymous Calendar installed from before, and now we have Mac Divi Single Builder installed as well. I should mention that this add-on works with Mac Lite as well, so if you're using the free version of Mac, feel free to purchase this add-on as well. Well, a new menu has been added to the ME Calendar sidebar called Single Divi Builder. Click on Add New Layout to start creating your new event template. Let's pick a name for our layout, then make sure to choose Layout for layout type. Now, looking and submit to proceed to the editing window. Choose Start Building from the Creator pop-ups, and this is the same Divi page builder environment you would use in any other scenario, but now you'll be using to customize how your event page looks. Click on Builder on the front end to have more control on the design process. Choose Start Building again, and now click on a page design. I'll go with 2 columns. I want to include the featured image model, on one side. And definitely, then the event title on the other side. From the Design tab, you can customize how the title looks, whether in font, color, or size. Let's change the font size to 32 pixels. As you can see, all the customization options available in Divi also apply to Mac's modules. Let's add another module on the right side. Type in Mac to search for all the modules related to Mac's Divi Builder add-on. Let's go with event categories. As for the design, let's change the color a bit and also give it a hover color. Another important module is Event Cost, which offers similar customization options. You can, customize the smallest details such as icon, title, and numeric value. Now, let's include the event text content below. The font sizes needs a bit of adjusting. Up next, we'll add the booking form to complete our event page. If you're a Mac Lite user again, you won't have access to this module, as it's exclusive for premium users. For this module, you have the option to show or hide the title, its background color, or any other existing element in it. Alright, so far, so good. Let's check out how this would look like in a live event. Our new event template consists of image, title, category, cost, content, and booking form. Click on Save to implement the changes. And for your next step, you need to head to Mac settings, to change the single event page style. So choose Divi Single Builder from the drop-down menu and then select the newly created layout. What's great about this is, that it can create numerous event templates and choose which one would be displayed for the default page and which for the modal view. As always, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Well, let's check out a random event. As you can see, the newly created template is not available for all our events. Another way to assign page layout to specific events is to open its editing window and navigate to the Choose Single Template option. This way, your event will have its own unique style and not the global template. Let's edit this layout again and add a couple of other modules to it. A countdown is a must, and luckily you can style it easily using the customization options. Save it, and check on the event to see the newly added changes. That was it for this add-on. While we offer a fuller range of customizations on Elementor, if you're a dedicated Divi theme user, then make sure to grab the Divi Single Builder to enhance the look of your event page in a few clicks. Hope you found this video useful and also helpful, and I look forward to reading your thoughts and comments down below this video about this add-on. See you in our next video.